we'll create a timeline. A timeline is a very common element in presentation design, so let's make it short and simple. First, insert a line shape. Increase the length of the line to fit your slide, and change its color. Next, we'll insert a round shape. Change its color and remove the outline. Now, insert another smaller round shape on top of the first one. Place it in the center of the larger circle, change its color to white, and remove the outline. Once you've done that, move this shape onto the slide and adjust its alignment. Now, we'll insert a triangular shape to add more detail to the timeline. Change its color, remove the outline, and place it on top of the round shape. Let's add some text. We'll label this as our timeline and add a caption for this slide. Now, copy the slide. On the duplicated slide, remove the caption, adjust the line, and add any additional element text you need. With that done, let's select both slides. Go to the Transitions tab, click on Push, and choose the effect direction from the right. And there you have it, a simple and beautiful timeline in your presentation. It's quick, easy, and very effective for delivering your message.